No one knows who wrote the Gospels. They were all anonymous, and people added names later.
Where did you hear that?
Bart Ehrman said it in his book, How Jesus Became God.
He's telling porky pies.
What?
He claims that the four Gospels had no titles or headers identifying the authors, but
What?
they do. Our earliest 27 Gospel manuscripts all have the right name on them.
Someone could have added them later.
They come from all over the place, so a single person couldn't have done them all.
But what about all the manuscripts that don't have any name on them?
There aren't any.
So you mean atheist New Testament scholars ignored evidence and wrote stuff that might sell books?